what's up YouTube? My name is Carmen and welcome to my channel, Carmen Creates. Normally what I do is provide step-by-step lettering videos, but in this series it's going to be a little bit different. I'm just going to do sort of like a doodle follow along with me. It's still going to be super easy and I'm only going to be using Crayola fine tip markers for these. So again, you don't need anything special to do this, and I hope it leaves you inspired and ready to do something fun for the summer. So before we get started, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any comments, questions, or requests, be sure to leave them down below. All right, let's do it. All right, the first word is shell, and I chose a royal blue color pen for this word to start out. So first draw your letter S, then go right into the letter H. Now, because the letter E has a rounded face, I'm picking up my marker here, and then I'll go right into the first L and the second L. Now I'm going back through and drawing in an additional downstroke on each letter. So once we fill this in, this is going to give us the effect that we made brush strokes. And then once I'm done with that, I'll go through and color each one of those in. Okay, I sped this part of the video up because I figured you didn't want to watch me color everything in real time, but feel free to take your time, pause the video if you need to if you're following along, and just make sure everything looks smooth after you've colored it in. Next up is the word yeah, and I'm using a slightly lighter color blue to make this word. So start off by writing or drawing the letter Y with a big loop at the bottom. And again, E has a rounded face, so pick up your pen. A has a rounded face, and then go into the H. One more time, I'm drawing all of the extra downstrokes on each letter, and then after I do that, I will take the time to fill everything in there as well. So here we go. I sped it up one more time for you. Again, feel free to take your time with this one. I really like using these fine tip markers though, because it seems like coloring is so much easier with them. Now, to make this super cute, at the bottom, I'm drawing in the darker color first, 3 little waves. And I'm drawing 2 sets of those. Then I'm going back through with that lighter color and drawing in the line underneath those waves that I just drew. Then I thought it would be really fun to draw a little shell above the E. So I made this little jelly bean shape, and then as you can see, I'm drawing each part of the shell above that. And look, it's so adorable.